Hello friends, let's start today one drawing. I'm telling one thing. We should draw in a book or chart or paper. Okay kids? Are you understood? We are starting. First you need to draw one border. Okay kids? You draw one border first. I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay kids? I'm showing. See. I'm drawing. You should see. Okay kids? I'm drawing. You should see that. Okay? Let's start. First draw one oval. In the oval you should draw small circles like this. We are drawing a cow. That's why I'm telling. Okay? Okay kids? Now out of the oval you should draw like this. A curve. Now it's like a cow. Yes children? Right? We should put eyes. Now ears. It's being like a cow, right children? Like this. We draw the face, okay? Okay kids, it's like a cow. It's we should draw big only. I missed that. I write like small only, no? That's why we can draw another drawings. Okay? Now the curve we draw, no? And like this children. Okay? Okay children? Now tail put. There are also curves also in cow stomach, right? On cow stomach. Not inside, outside. Okay children? I draw nails. We want to put anywhere, we can put like this. Okay children? Are you listening? Right? Now children, you should color it. Okay? First, you should take black. You should draw the cow outside the curves. It's there, no? That one you can draw pink. You like pink, you can draw pink. You like black or you can draw black. Anyway, you can draw. I'm drawing pink. Okay children, follow me. It seems like a cow, right? Are you drawing the cow? See, children? In cow ears, side is there, no? You should draw inside the ears. Ears only draw again inside. Okay, children? Okay. Now we should color in okay, children. Okay, children, we should draw fast. Okay. You should draw cow color only. Okay. Don't miss that thing. Okay, draw fast, children. Gray only. Cow is in gray only, right, children? Yes? Cow is in gray only. I'm drawing dark. That's why it is not like a. The color is not in a fix. That's why. You should not draw the materials is there. Any drawing, you don't worry for fast. I just said like that because you color fast or paint, you draw paint, it will not dry fast, no. You will color fast, the paint will dry fast.